ActivePresenter allows you to place a video clip in a small frame on top of another, so that they play at the same time. It's called picture-in-picture effect. It's useful when you want to create an instructional or a presentation video. To do that, insert a picture-in-picture video as normal. In order to avoid covering any important information, you can place it in the corner. Drag the resizing handles to resize it if necessary. You can change its start time by dragging the video object in the timeline pane, or adjust in the timing section. Optionally, you can animate your video to make it more engaging. Open the Animations tab. Then select the effects you like. If your project has more than one slide, and you want the video to play over multiple slides, right-click it, Play over multiple slides, select Top Layer. By this way, the picture-in-picture video is always shown on top of others. That's it.